making cheesesteak French fries here at the Young's house, and I am so excited to show you all how easy it is to make this. This recipe can be served for lunch, brunch, dinner. Serve it as a snack because it's so good, super easy to make. Here's what you're gonna need. Of course, you're gonna need your favorite French fries, or you could turn around and peel and cut up some potatoes and make them that way, right? So whatever you like with your regular cheesesteak, you can put into your recipe. When I think of a good cheesesteak, I always want onions. I got a nice sweet onion. I got a bell pepper, and if you like mushrooms in yours, absolutely, you could use that too. You're gonna need some good cheese, right? I'm talking about the best cheese you can think of on a steak and cheese, right? I'm using this cheese sauce. This cheese sauce is the boss and it tastes good. We're gonna do something really interesting with this barbecue sauce, any kind, get the cheap kind, right? And then I have some steak meat, okay? It comes frozen and it easily breaks up and it tastes good. And yes, it's 100% beef. You see where it says it right there? This is good stuff and the price is amazing. In my pan, I have just a little bit of oil so I can get this steak to cooking. And I'm gonna be using 2 spices. I got garlic powder and some black pepper. Make sure your hands are impeccably clean. Let's make cheesesteak French fries. You're not gonna be able to get these off of your mouth. Hope y'all are having a great day today. And if you're not, hopefully I can brighten up your day with this here recipe. What's your weather like? I wanna know. What's the weather like? Did you get the ice? We got the snow, and the snow was literally up to my husband's knees. They were shoveling the snow for a long time. And when I tell you the temperature is 0, it's so cold outside, it's hard to breathe out there. So they were able to get the driveway and the pathway, you know, to the door and everything nice and clear. But it's bad out there. Let me know what your weather is like. I'm hoping that you all are safe and comfortable. I hope that you're just letting your pets go outside just to use the bathroom and then back in. But stay safe and warm, everybody. The first thing we're gonna do, let's go ahead and get started with chopping up anything that might need to get chopped up. If you're that person that loves mushrooms on your cheesesteak, you could use fresh mushrooms as well. What we're gonna do is we're gonna saute the onions and the bell peppers right in with the steak. This steak is not gonna take long to cook and it's super delicious. So I'm gonna start with slicing up this nice, beautiful, sweet Vidalia onion that I have here. I think that's plenty enough. And then I have some oil on my larger stove behind me. It's heating up so we can put our French fries in. And make sure when you're cooking your French fries, get them nice, beautiful, golden brown and crispy, and they'll be light and fluffy and airy in the inside. I can't wait. Let's chop up some beautiful bell pepper, whatever color you love, you know. Most of the time here at the Young's house, I always have green bell peppers. Number one, because one of my dogs is fascinated with green bell peppers. He loves lettuce. He does. And bell peppers, if he smells a bell pepper, he'll be right here at my feet, scratching at my legs, trying to get some. Or if he doesn't do that, he'll stand where I can see him, and I know that he wants some. So I'm always sure to cut a piece or two of bell pepper for him because he loves it so much. Our nice vegetables right into the pan. Honestly, if you wanted to use a small piece of fresh garlic, you could do that as well. Absolutely, you could. But I'm always the one to tell y'all, don't use the kind of garlic that comes packed in a jar of oil or water. Use fresh. Fresh always tastes best. Now, let's talk about these here. These steak pieces come in a bag just like this, and they're separated. It's like little sheets of thinly sliced steak, okay? And I just grabbed the amount that I'm gonna need for my family. Let's see. Give me a second. Gotta get them out. Let's go ahead and take our steak and put it right into our pan here. Look how easily it breaks up. If you're that person that doesn't want to use the steak on meat, you can, nowadays in your local market, you can go to the meat section and get that really thinly sliced beef. You could use that too. Okay, this was on sale. I was so happy. I was so happy when the shopper said it's on sale. I said, thank you. All right, here we go. Get it in however much you think your family's going to want. We want a lot. I'm going to use some garlic powder to season it and some black pepper. You'll notice that I'm not using salt The reason why I'm not using salt is because it really doesn't need it. And that cheese sauce is going to make up for any salt that you think you need, right? Lovely. Go ahead and get our fries right into the hot oil. Go ahead and break this meat up. Look how easily. Yes, yes, yes. The whole house smells absolutely amazing already. And I like to get like a really dark look onto our meat here. And just by letting it cook, it's going to happen. This meat really doesn't dry out. So you don't have to worry about that either. I've made cheesesteaks before. I have also used like a steak seasoning, like a Montreal steak seasoning onto this. It's spectacular, right? But you do have to watch the salt because it can be a bit salty. So if you're going to use it, use just a little bit. I know it sounds like I'm losing my voice. I don't know how that's happening. I'm going to drink some coffee. Move these fries around a little bit. There we go. They're getting nice, beautiful, and golden brown, but they got a nice, well, they got a nice way to go. Go ahead and put our cheese sauce right in. The meat is done. Vegetables are cooked to perfection. I can't stop eating the meat. Are you kidding me? Here's why I love this cheese sauce. Ah, yes. Use as much as you want. I'm going to be honest. When I make a cheese steak, I want it to be the creamiest of cheeses. If it ain't a yellow American cheese or white American cheese, it's definitely this. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine this right now on top of your fries? Because it's going on top of the fries. Sure it is. See that? That's what you want. Y'all, we're almost there. Almost there. Are you excited? Is your mouth watering? Is your stomach rumbling? If so, I don't blame you. Look at that. Just a little bit more crispy. Put this together. It's lunchtime here at the Young's house. And my family is all excited because they love this. I'm just going to put it on one plate and we're just going to share it, right? It's freezing outside. It's a winter storm out there. Ain't nobody going outside and we want something good to eat. And this is what we're having here for lunch. And I love that I can share this recipe with you all so you can make it for your family and friends. They're going to want more, so make sure you're making enough. Make plenty enough. Stack it to the ceiling. Let's go ahead and put our hot bubbly. It's bubbling. Steak and cheese right over top of your fries. Oh my goodness. Be strategic and make it look beautiful. Anytime I'm cooking anything for my family, I want it to look presentable, right? Oh my goodness. Whose stomach is rumbling? You're ready for this. Yeah. Now, I'm about to fancy your taste buds. I'm about to fancy your taste buds. Baby, when I tell you, this right here is what you're looking for. That's it. And look, make it look presentable. Come on, y'all. You need that little bit of sweetness. Oh my goodness. Make you some. Y'all enjoyed this video? Give me a thumbs up. I know. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Tell your family and friends. Tell the world what Gina's doing every single day in this kitchen. And Father, on today, we thank you for this meal. Your hedge of protection and your love. Amen. Amen. Once again, to my beautiful prayer, stay tuned because guess what? You get that ready to taste. I'm ready to taste. I'm giving you the first bite. All right? I'm giving you that first bite. Oh my goodness. Give me the cheesesteak. That was good. It's hot, but I know y'all want me to try it. This right here will totally knock out your taste buds. Like I'm knocked out. This is so good. If you never tasted this, make you some. Enjoy.